Okay, so today we're going to try a very simple balance shapes document here on the iPad. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to open up Sketches School. Okay, and here's the one I was working on previously. This is kind of the project we're going to do today. So I'm going to make a new document. Okay, here we can see the plus and this blue thing. So maybe I want to change the color, or you can change this. You could import a photo. But I'm going to pick a new color. I'm going to make this one, oh, you can move it around. I'm going to make mine a little bit on the purple side. Add. So what we want to do here is make two different types of shapes on either side of the document. Okay? The shapes are going to balance each other out. So we're going to use this tool here actually quite a bit. I've got some purple for my background. I'm going to use my color wheel and I'm going to look at the triangle of color, and I'm probably going to use orange and green. So I'm going to start off with circles on one side. Now you can use whatever shapes you want. There's lots of things you can do. This one I'm going to keep really simple. So I'm just going to grab a circle and move it over here. You can pinch, drag, and move it. I'm going to make this one kind of big. Then click the checkbox. And I want to fill this side of the page with circles. Checkbox. Just remember to hit the check mark every time you're done making a circle. I'm not going to overlap any of these ones, and you'll see why here in a second. Oh, I think I just did two of them. Check. Make another one. One last one kind of down here. Now what I want to do is I'm actually going to make some other ones. I'm going to change colors a little bit and go with just a slightly different color. And now with this other color, I will overlap some circles kind of in this area. And I like the small ones out here in the front. I'll put that one down there. Okay. Now, you could do way more shapes than this. Different colors, whatever you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and on the other side, I'm going to use, first I'm going to change color. I'm going to use a couple different shades of green. And on this side, I'm going to make squares. Okay. So here's a square, and I can turn them around. Another square down this side. That one a little smaller. Okay, and you're just going to keep going, making these different shapes, kind of on either side of each other. Okay. Like so. And then maybe, let's do another color. Like so. Another square, and another color. I like the way these colors overlap. It's a little time consuming. Now, I just did the real basics here. I like to go in and add a little bit of texture. I'm going to use the roller. And I'm going to roll over maybe some of this texture on some of these circles in the green, just to make it look kind of cool, you know, and they don't have to be exact, but I just think that this is kind of interesting, like so. And then maybe I do some yellow ones, and I'll do this in yellow over here on some of the squares. Doesn't come out as good, I don't think, as the circles, but you get the idea. Okay. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this project. You can do it a lot of different ways, make as many shapes as you want, but remember, what you're looking for is balance. You want it to kind of feel the same, you feel even on both sides, so that one side or the other isn't too heavy or too dark. Okay, so Balance Shapes project. Give it a try, have fun, do some quality work.